Themselves here from Trading Beans Academy. Super excited. Today I'm back again with another interesting video where you get to catch spikes. If you're ready to catch spikes, guys, this is the video that you have been waiting for. So it will be in a 1 minute time frame. Yes, basically it will be 1 minute. We are catching spikes, and which simply means if at all we are trading a boom, we are buying, and if it's a crash, we are selling, because our aim for this strategy is catching what? Spikes. So that's the thing. If you can see self-experimentally, if at all you have been following me, you have been following my videos, you can actually catch the trade, you can catch the concept behind it. But I just want to quickly show you the settings on how you can set this up on your MT5 and get started. You can set it up on your phone, you can set it up on your PC. It's working both sides. So that's the thing. Be it on a crash, be it on a boom, it's working, guys. I don't bring things that don't work on this particular channel. I bring things that I've back tested and things that are working out for me. Those are the things that I share to you. So that's the thing. Like, the essence of this video or these lessons that I bring to you is to actually grow that small account into something that is big, that you can use to actually enter our long trades that we post in our Telegram group. I don't charge for signals. I give signals for free of charge in our Telegram group. The only thing that you have to do is to actually get started by joining the Telegram group, and the link is in the description. For those that want mentorship and all that stuff, I recommend that you start with my course. The course is only 20 lessons. I just want to see how serious you can take your trading and how serious you are. I don't want to mentor people that are not serious. I only mentor people that are serious and people that are willing to put in the work. So it's only going at 1 USD. Yes, it's 20 lessons and it's only going at 1 USD. The only thing that I want to assess is how serious you are. I make money in the financial market. There is no need of me charging you for courses and all that. So I just want to see how serious you can be and how serious you want to take this whole thing. So the moment you enroll in the course, the first link in the description, it will, after finishing the course, you'll find a link where you get to join our mentorship group. Yes, where I get to mentor you, get to interact with you. I don't want to be mentoring somebody that has no knowledge about Forex. So at least if you watch the 20 lessons that I've personally arranged for you, you watch them and finish them, there I'll know and take you serious as a serious person. So that's the thing. So with that said, let's go into today's video. So basically we are using two indicators, the relative strength index and also the Ichimoku. So basically just these two. So I'm going to delete them and walk you through on how you can set them on your chart. So if you're new and you don't know where to go, you come here where you see a F sign there. That's where your indicators are, and you're going to click on that plus icon on your main chart, and you're going to click there and you're going to look for an indicator called the relative strength index, and you click there and it will have the following properties. The period will be 14 applied to close, and the levels, very important. There will be a level by level. It will be 10 and sell level will be 90. So these are very important levels that you have to put, guys. Put exactly the same levels that I'm putting, put the same exactly carrots that I'm putting, exactly the same levels that I'm putting. And also the 50 will be the re-entry and the take profit level, and we are going to have the 20 level and an 80 level, and also the star will be black. The star will be black. So we click done, and here on the main RSI index, we are going to put the star as our background, which is white in this case. So change your background. If it's black, change it to white, specifically for this strategy, so that you cannot be distorted to follow up the strategy. So that's the thing. Change colors, put the colors that I'm putting, and we're going to click on done, and we're going to have something like this showing on our chart. And we're going to come for the next indicator. And for you guys who have not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. I do post videos every day like this one that you can actually use and profit in the financial market. So hit that subscribe button and also ensure that you like the video so that it can reach to as many people as it can reach out to, and also ensure that you hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop interesting videos like these. So you're going to come on the indicator window 1, you click there, and we're going to look for the Ichimoku king coil, and these are the properties showing on your screen that you are going to use. The Tenkan Sen of 5, the Kunjin Sen of 2, the span B of 52, and ensure that it's few, and the time frame or no time frames, but ensure that you are using it in a 1 minute time frame. So that's the thing. The Tenkan Sen will be as our background, the style, and the Kunjin Sen will be as our background, the Ichimoku span will be as our background. The up Kumo, very important, it should be blue, and the down Kumo should be red, and we're going to click on done, and we'll have it exactly showing on our charts like that. And here now, that's where the secret is. So basically you wait for it to actually come into your buy zone, but guys, don't buy when you are just reaching a 20 level. So you only buy if at all you close the 20 level and you're approaching the 10 level, and it's even better if you touch the 10 level, that's where you buy from. So you only buy during this zone. The moment you close the 20 level, you can actually buy, and when you buy, you can now start waiting for it to spike, and it will spike. You catch these spikes until you reach your 50 level. Your 50 level, you will be your take profit 1, and your 80 level will be your take profit 2. So on your 50 level, you can actually come out of the market some profits, or you can make more entries. So it's a re-entry level. So this applies also to crash 500, crash 300, crash 1000. You sell. So it's the opposite. Boom 1000. Let me just go to crash so that you get to understand also. Where have I done that? Crash maybe 500 charts. So for Clash, you are actually doing what? You are selling. Whew. I can't just turn on my data. I'll start receiving notifications. So that's why I've switched it off. So yeah, same applies. Which one were we that already has? Which, yeah, the moment I turn on my data and all that, to start bringing notifications and to disturb the video. So that's the thing. So basically you can try it out, like I always said, try it out on your demo before you can try it out on your real account. And I hope you get to make money with this strategy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Love you so much, and see you in the next video. The Master Trader himself here. Have you